Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello friends, today I will show you how to copy edges from 3D objects. See, I will take a box here, center, L enter, we will give dimensions, F8 enter, 100 enter, 200 enter, 50 enter. See, this is the box which you have to here. I will copy these edges. See, I will show you. Go here from toolbar. There is a solid editing from toolbar. Press here, copy edges. Click on the arrow. There is a copy edges here. Copy. We will change the view from shades of gray to 2D wireframe. Okay. Now I will copy the edges. Both edges I will copy. See here, go here, copy edges. Select the edge which you want to copy. Then press enter. Click on the base point. In which direction you want to copy. I want downside, so go downside, F8. How much distance I want to give is 10. Enter. See, I copied this edge. I will copy this below edge. Okay, for this go here, solid editing toolbar. From solid editing toolbar, go click on the arrow, copy edges. Click on the edge which you want to copy, press enter. Click on the base point. Now we want upward direction, so I will go here like this. How much distance I want to give? 10. Enter. See, I copied this edge. Now I will copy this both edges. So for this, go to solid editing toolbar, copy edges. Select the edge which you want to copy, enter. Click on the base point. Now which direction you want is, press F8. See, showing this direction, F8. How much I'll give is 70. Enter. See, the edge has been copied to here. From this side also I will copy this edge. Go to toolbar, solid editing, copy edge. Click on the edge which you want to copy, enter. Click on the base point. Which direction you want is this direction. Then give the distance 70. Enter. See, this everything has been copied. Now we will change the view. See, now I'm taking this, press full option from toolbar, click on the object. See, we can subtract this also by pressing opposite direction. See, shift, I will see the hole is here, Okay, I will go here, change the view to southeast isometric. Okay, see, I will make everything undo. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. See, now what we'll do is go here, go to 2D wireframe. I want only this one. I want only this box. This lines, these boxes I don't want. So to delete this, I will make command option TR enter. See, trim is not working. Select all objects. See, trim is not working. For this, what we want to do is E enter, select the objects, enter. See, sorry. Now I will make this a press full. Press full. I will draw here to upward direction. I will change the view to show you. This is like this. Now I don't want this lines. So here is select E enter, select the line which you don't want, enter. See, the line erased. Another enter, select the object, see this box is highlighting, so this is showing like this. We'll change the view to 2D wireframe. Now E enter, select the objects, enter. See, now we'll erase this one. We don't want this unwanted lines, so E enter, select the object, select the line, enter, enter. See, everything has been gone. Now I will change view to shades with gray. Shift scroll to orbit this view. See, thank you for watching. Bye.